Hello, beautiful souls. I got a message for you. What do you want to know? All right. Okay. All right. So you have had your eyes on somebody special, it looks like, and you have been thinking about them for a really long time. And you have not gone forward at all because you were trying to stand in your feminine power and have them come. You didn't want to be chasing them. However, this has put you in a situation where you've been kind of stuck. You haven't been able to really stop thinking about them at all. So Spirit is suggesting that in order for you to finally feel normal, to finally go back to the way things were, you're going to have to let go somehow. Let go of this person.